Welcome to Yosemite National Park, one of the wonders of the world and an American treasure. Many come from afar to witness its massive rock formations, towering waterfalls, crystal clear water, and gigantic redwood trees. This park should definitely be on your list of places to see. If you do go, here are a few suggestions and a sampler of what to do in Yosemite. I am here for a day and I will stay overnight because it takes over 5 hours by car to get to Yosemite from San Francisco. But believe it when I say, it is worth it. Yosemite is very popular, so try to make your reservations as much as a year in advance, especially if you want to stay in lodging or the campsites. I made a day trip to Yosemite and I'm staying at the affordable Camp Curry, where you can experience rustic accommodations in a canvas tent without lugging over your camping equipment. You can get to Yosemite's many epic viewpoints by driving your car. However, there is a transportation that can bring you to different locations in the park that is included with the price of admission. The public bus system is highly recommended because it cuts down on emissions and traffic in the park. Can you believe that 4 to 5 million people visit Yosemite each year? Another way to get around in the valley is by bicycle. You could rent a bike in the park and tour around at your own leisure. There is 12 miles of paved and mostly flat designated trails. There are 2 locations you can rent bikes at: Yosemite Valley Lodge and Curry Village. Come on, let's take a bike ride through Yosemite Valley. How about experiencing what it was like to travel around as the pioneers did by horse? There are 1 hour, 2 hour, and half-day guided horse rides. During your visit, you may encounter wildlife such as mule deer and many squirrels. Hopefully you won't encounter bears. It is recommended that you do not keep your food in your car or in your tent. For your food storage, there are metallic bear boxes available around the grounds. Be sure to check out the campfire talks and tours led by park rangers. Watch an evening movie or slideshow under the stars about the park history in the village. Do this before or after a nice dinner at the nearby restaurant. This was a quick sampler of Yosemite and just some ideas for your visit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to subscribe and watch for more of my outdoor videos, and please press the like button if you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time on my Outdoor and Nature channel. Joseon.
Alright, let's go to eat. Go ahead.
Sekjochan.
Joseon. Look at the bird, look, it's waiting for food.